The MT-12 anti-tank unit of the 9th Brigade of the 1st Donetsk Army Corps, formerly the 9th NM DPR Regiment, attacked the enemy fortifications towards Avdiivka. Using reconnaissance and thermal imaging devices, the crew identified the temporary placement points of the AFU personnel. The coordinates were immediately sent to the command post. After receiving the enemy's coordinates from the reconnaissance team, the crew went straight to work. With reconnaissance and thermal imaging technology, the crew identified the target placement points. After confirmation, the firing crew went to work. The attack was precise, but the number of enemy casualties has not been calculated yet. Avdiivka is a city in the Donetsk region in eastern Ukraine. It is located approximately 18 kilometers north of the city of Donetsk and about 80 kilometers south of the city of Kharkiv. Avdiivka is located near the front line of the conflict between Ukraine and Russia, which has been ongoing since 2014 until now. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov said in total Ukraine lost 413 jet fighters and 230 helicopters, 3,905 unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed. Also 421 air defense missile systems, 8,920 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,095 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,695 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 9,882 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kiev, the armed forces of Ukraine said Russia lost 470 servicemen in a single day. In total, Russia lost 190,510 servicemen during the conflict. President of Ukraine swears to repel Russian occupiers. It is very important that Russia receives ever stronger signals that the world will not forgive any of Russia's acts of terror, and that as many global players as possible are absolutely principled in upholding the sanctions regime against Russia for terror, said Zelensky.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.